Welcome to another Robotill training video. In this video, we will be looking at how to set up a disaster recovery program for your point-of-sale system. Robotill uses a robust and secure database server, but there are still things that can go wrong, like fire and theft. You need to be prepared so that you do not lose all your data. Data is stored on your local server. It is very important that you enable automatic backups that will include cloud storage or offsite storage. On your server PC, that will be your main PC, log into your back office app and click on Database. We need to select a backup folder. I am going to intentionally make a common mistake by selecting my Documents folder. If I then click on Backup Now, I get an error message stating access denied. The reason for this is that SQL Server does not want to do backups in a user folder like Documents or Desktop. We need to create a folder that we can use that is not a user folder. To do that, I open File Explorer. I then go to my C drive and select it. I then click on New and select New Folder. A folder will be created that I can then name Robotill Backup. I now need to select the folder we just created in my backup setup. You can type the full path of the folder, but it is better to select it instead to avoid mistakes. Scroll down to this PC, then expand your C drive and select the backup folder you just created. If we click on Backup Now, the backup succeeds. Remember that this must be done from your server PC. You do not need to do a backup on all your computers, just on the server. If we go back to File Explorer and have a look at the folder we created, we will see that a backup file was created in our folder. You can use this file to do a database restore. The file cannot be used in any other way. Robotill will remember these settings. So next time, you can just click on Backup Now if you want to do a backup, but we want to automate the backup process so that backups are automatically done every day. Simply enable automatic backups. You can choose how many backup files you want to keep. You want to keep several going back a couple days in case there was a problem that was only detected a day or two later and you can't use the latest backup files. We will now have daily backups. But there's a problem. The backup file is stored on the server PC. If this PC's hard drive crash or it is stolen, then all our data will still be lost. We need to enable the option to copy the backup file to a cloud folder. You get a free cloud server with your Microsoft account. All you need to do is create a folder under Documents, and it will automatically be backup up to OneDrive. From File Explorer, select Documents and then select New and create a folder. You can give it any name. I will call it Robotill Cloud Backup. We then go back to Robotill and enable the option to copy our backup file to a cloud folder. Remember, we can't do the backup directly to this folder. This time, we simply select Documents and then the folder we created. Let's test this by doing a backup. The backup completed without any errors. Let's have a look at our cloud backup folder. We can see that our backup file was created, then automatically copied to the cloud folder. We can also see that OneDrive is busy copying the file to the cloud. We now have a proper disaster recovery plan in place. Backups will be done daily and copied to the cloud. Note that the back office app needs to be opened on the server PC daily so that the backups can be done. You can also simply leave the back office app open on the PC. No one needs to be logged in, it just needs to be open in order for the automatic backups to be done. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe so that you won't miss out on upcoming training videos.